How to use preposition in, on, at. Preposition, a word and phrase that is used before a noun and pronoun to show place, time, direction, etc. Preposition of time and place. In is used for months, years, centuries and long periods. For example, in the morning, in the summer, in 1980, in the 17th century. In the Easter holiday, in England, in a building, in a car. In a boat, in a helicopter, in a traffic jam, in the article. On is used for days and dates. For example, on Monday, on June 3rd, on Christmas Day, on my birthday. On Tuesday evening, on time, on a warm day, on a bus. On a horse, on the phone, on the television, on the floor. At is used for a precious time. For example, at 9 a.m., at 8 o'clock, at night, at noon, midi. At Christmas, at dinner time, at that moment, at the bus stop. At the door, at someone's house, at the entrance, at the bottom. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.